नीला जय जय माँ तमले गोदान दान तो लीला जय जय माँ तमले गोदान दान तो लीला संबलपुर सबु सुंदर माल बहाल देना डंग संबलपुर सबु सुंदर माल बहाल देना डंग गोरा बागीर कर मेटा डोंगरा डीला पीला जय जय माँ तमले गोदान दान तो लीला जय जय माँ तमले।
In remote villages of Sambalpur district in Odisha, away from the madding city crowd, live a group of weavers, creators of some very original fabrics. No institutions teach this unique style of design, traditional, highly stylized, yet simple. For centuries, the techniques have been passed from father to son. Times were hard, competition from mill-made fabric severe. Poverty and exploitation compelled many to take up new trades and migrate. Undaunted by setbacks, a handful remained behind. They alone kept the tradition alive.